Welcome to today's market wrap. So today the market is moving sideways again. You can see that Europe, some market is down, some market is up. If we look at the US market, it went down. It's because the market reacts to the news where the Federal Reserve is saying that the inflation is too high, which means that they may increase the interest rate at a faster pace. The market would then look at it and say, well, if the interest rate is going up, then the asset price must come down. Hence, the Dow Jones went down and oil price went up again. It's because of the news where the European Union may ban Russian oil, which is a big producer of the oil in the world. Gold price went up again. It is moving in sync with the oil price. So let's look at how the market is going. So you can see that Dow Jones, it went down a little bit compared to the day before. If you are in the market, you are still making profit. Okay. And I missed this run, unfortunately. Oil, you can see that it has gone back up again, moving up beyond moving average 20. So this would be a good entry point over here because the oil price has go through moving average 20 and then the MACD is positive. So according to our trading rule, this would be a long trade, and this is the entry point. Gold price. So you can see that the market came down and it went up. So it's moving sideways at the moment. Gold is moving sideways. Crypto is also moving sideways. If you have gone back, if you have done a long trade here, you are still in profit, but this may be time to think whether you want to be in a trade or not because it hasn't moved for a while. And the Australian dollars, it is also moving sideways. I think the market is waiting to see what's happening in Russia. Then it will move again. Let's look at the pre-market. It's down a bit. So it's in line with the Dow Jones. Okay, so today we're just watching to see how the market goes. The only market that may be offering a good entry point would be oil, as what I mentioned before. So that's it for today. We will come back and see how the market moves overnight. Be safe.